Hey everyone, this is Roach with Princess Auto, and today I thought I'd actually start doing videos of what I do with my car. So I have some old Password JDM hood risers, and I figured I'd install them and record it since I do a lot of stuff with this car, and I watch enough videos about it, so I figured, yeah, why don't I put some shit up there? I do some ghetto stuff. I do some ghetto stuff that actually works. So let me find the bolt that I need, or the fitting, and I'll be right back. Oof. So we're getting into the parts vehicle, the work truck, the workhorse. This was a shorty I'd put on that one that was way too loud. So we are going to one-handedly get this where it goes. And I use this as a toolbox. Sockets. Okay. Let me get the things together. I'll find some bolts and I'll start it back up. And check it out. With not much effort, found one that fits. Now, project 2. Gotta find 10mm, I believe it is, for the hood. But let's go see what the hood bolt actually is. Why not? Let me get into the Pimp Mobile. Tee-hee. We got the quick release. We got the... I don't know if you can show that on YouTube. Titty tassels. I was kind of looking in here already for the Allen wrench, but it's not in here. So, the hood. We're going for the hood. Let me just put all that shit back. Sorry for the bad camera angle. Bop. Right there. Standard, of course. 4-star. Ball. You know it. Okie doke. Hood. This is my pride and joy. I got this in June of... year before last? Last year. Sorry about the angle. Super sorry about it. This is my F22 B1. 200,000 miles plus. The speedometer stopped. I have that off for now because it's on that. But I'm getting a new one. I'll make a video of this too. There we go. My vehicle speed sensor, when I got the car, was the main problem. And he said it had been an accident because it's got a new radiator. The body was all like scratched, if you can see that. Oh, it was way worse when I got it. Not bad, but I got it, had to sand it. Okay, so I guess 2 minutes or as far as this can go. But I got this, when I got it, I got $1,100. The side was all screwed up, all smashed and scratched, and the marker lights were out, as you can still see. Oh, why is this so zoomed in? It's all jacked up. Couldn't really do much of the bumper because it's plastic. Replaced the hose. Put some headers on a long time. It goes for some eBay original headers to a gutted cat, down to the resonator, and it comes out to these sweet little Conjo style pipes I have on the side in front of the back wheel. Me and a buddy of mine did these just the other day. Should have recorded it, but didn't really think about it. But now that I'm actually thinking about it, you know what? Why not? So, to the point. What size are these, and why is this so zoomed in? I'm gonna have to keep an eye on that. So let's take a bet. You think it's a 10 or a 12? Leave it in the comments if you think you know. I'm gonna go find out. Alright, so we got it sized up. If you left it down in the comments it was a 12, you were damn wrong, because it's a 10. Spoop. I'm going to try to find a place for this camera because I'm going to need 2 hands for this. Give me a second here, fellas. That's perfect if I can keep that steady. Watch and sit back and have a nice time. We're going to try and do this as safely as possible. So I had these on once, a couple months after I got it, and it was having a problem starting. And for whatever reason, I thought it was because it was raining, and the water was somehow getting under the hood, and was getting something wet. So I figured, you know what, this... Okay, so we'll try again, because the camera fell. So we got this. I'm going to put the design towards the outside on this particular side. And get this started so I can find that. And then we're going to carefully do this just to get it set up, and we'll push that forward. Hey. Settle down, partner. I'm just gonna oops. Oh, I gave myself a pickle. I'll be right back. Haha, silly me. Left the thing in my pocket. And I do apologize if I sound like Kermit the Frog. I get told that a lot. So I'm like used to it. So I mean, simple enough. I'm trying to show you as much as I can. And I'm just going to snug it down. And shabam. Yep. Oy. So let me get set up and started on the other side. Get my two tools, which turned out to be a 10. Damn it. Hold on a second. Camera, you're having a hard time. Oh well. It's a 10mm deep socket, and this thing on the end here is going to turn out to be, I don't know, but it looks like that. Probably the equivalent of a 10 in whatever little stick size. We're going to put this bolt back because I think that's where I borrowed it from. Pretty sure that's where I borrowed it from. And now I need to remember what I did with this bolt. I'm going to put this section on the outside on this side. And as I rummage through my pocket, I found it. So let's get the tools going. I'll get the camera set up. We'll get right back at it. Okay, I'm like I'm gonna be super serious with you guys right now. I had to prop you guys up on a pumpkin, okay? Sorry, it's not ideal, but I don't have a tripod yet. So, we make do with what we have. In the extreme sense. That's if you can even hear me. So, next thing I have planned is I'm going to be painting the car. Got some designs in mind that I think are going to look pretty damn cool. So hopefully we can catch that next week. And then if things work out, we'll take a field trip to the junkyard. Yay! What a trip that would be. So I have a drill I usually use for this, but for whatever reason today I didn't have it. It's inside on the charger. There's the bottom one, snuggle. There's the top. There's the bottom. Nice, nice. I wasn't joking. I had to put you guys on a bumpkin because I don't have a tripod. But yes, sir, that's it. That's all you need to do. If it focuses, to put hood risers on. So let's go ahead and get this pumpkin out. Close up the hood, clean up the space, put our tools away, and let's check out how it looks. Alright, hood risers installed. Let's do the checks. Oil. Get it on the examining table. Not bad. I got about a month left if I do enough driving. Well, we're doing this left-handed. Oh, mechanic skills! So like again, we're going to try and get a cheap HKS pod filter. See how good that goes and get these batteries off of here. We got an AutoZone battery kit because it was starting to get the fungus. I don't have to do any battery work because that thing already has battery problems. Not sure if it's the battery or the automobile. So it's got a new radiator hose put on last year. Like I said again, eBay headers to a deleted, not so much deleted, but a gutted cat. To a resonator, to an elbow, to the heart blast thing. But otherwise, we got the oil. We got the coolant. Yeah, it's good. It's usually where it's at. It's fine. It's fine. This, I forgot. I borrowed a fender bolt. We might have to get back into the parts vehicle. So if this video is really choppy, I'm going to apologize in advance. My phone seems to quit recording at about 1:30. And I want to capture as much footage as I can because I got a lot of shit to say about this kind of imports, Hondas in particular. I've been a huge fan since I was like high school, early middle school. This one, 96 F22B1, my first VTEC, my first real Honda. If I can find the pics of the first Honda I had, I'll install them right here. If I don't find them, you're just going to see my finger pointing at a screen. But So far what I've done is I got the eBay corner lights. If I can find the seller I got them from, I'll be sure to link them. I got some new tires on 14 Steelies that I got to paint. We're going to be lowering it eventually. The blast pipe, you can kind of, if I get it on the ground, I don't know if you can see anything. Grow tent equipment. Old school stickers. That was a grow sticker, but then it became very gross. I got my boy Hunter. I got my no license plates. More stickers. Some more damage that came with the car. I got the light, I just don't have the gasket. Since I'm from the southwest, deep southwest, it makes sense, because I'm like a stone's throw from the border. Moonroof style. So I'm assuming this was the EX. The badges were removed. Needs a power steering pump, that'll be later. Because I'm doing this as cheap and reliably as I can. So that's like a $90 part, and I don't have 90 bucks yet for that. And then, I don't know why this is so zoomed in, but this will be the next video, maybe. We'll just talk about this. Pretty sure it's got a head gasket problem, because I got it off of a friend who had the, let me scoot back, this is really zoomed in. I got it from a friend who had the timing belt break. It jumped some teeth, and I fixed it with my friend. Very good friend of mine, and it's running. It's been running since. Reliably, even though I think it has a head gasket problem. But yeah, let's close the hood and see how it looks. Alright. Oh yeah. Very slick. Let me quit moving around so the camera can see for a little bit. Looks very nice. This car is going to come along very well. I've had a lot of motivation to do something with it. Had a little bit of a issue with if I wanted it or not, and then okay, so I think my camera's overheating because it keeps cutting out, but this is how it looks. You can see in there. I'm kind of peeking. Shabam. Focus, damn you, focus. That's alright. Whoa. Okay, let's calm down here. There we go. Damn, we're having issues. Well, that's the hood riser so far. I think it looks pretty sweet. So, like I said, next thing we're going to do, probably going to paint it. I'm going to do a flat green with a black hood. Eventually lower it. Eventually get it all fixed up and ready for car shows. So, that'll pretty much be it for this video. But expect a lot more to come. Thanks for watching. This is Roach with Princess Auto. Thanks again. Hope to see you later. We out!